Hello, our lovely learners. Welcome to our channel. I'm interested in reading, or I'm interested in reading. What is amazing and what is amazed? If you don't know the answer, this video is for you, where we are going to explain usage of ending ed and ing with adjectives. Stay with me until the end of this video and find out more about this grammar. After this video, our free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of this rule. Let's get started. In English language, there are a lot of adjectives which have the ending ed and ing. But there are different situations which inform how to use them correctly. Don't worry and don't be confused, because the rule is quite simple. To understand how it works, please have a look at some examples. I'm interested in reading. Now I'm reading an interesting book. In this example, the first sentence tells us about my attitude to the activity. And the second example describes the activity. In other words, we use ending ed when the subject reflects feeling inside us. And we use ending ing when we describe the subject. The book was a source of emotions, and I got these emotions. So for the source of feelings or emotions, we use ending ed. For the person who gets the emotion, we use the ending ing. For example, this film is boring. I don't like boring films. I'm bored with boring films. The film is boring. I don't like boring films. In these sentences, I'm describing the subject and I use ing ending. I'm bored. Here I'm describing feelings about it. If you say I am boring, it will mean that you are describing yourself as a boring person. But you don't want to be boring, do you? So you can only be bored by something. Another example. I was amazed by the new film. The film was amazing. Here again, I'm describing my feeling about the film. The key word here is my feeling. I'm describing myself. The film was amazing. Here, I am describing the film, not my feelings or emotions. My work is tiring and I am tired. The weather was surprising. It made me surprised. He is annoyed because of some people's behavior. It is annoying. In all these sentences, I was describing my own or someone's attitude to something, and I used the ending ed for adjectives. And when describing some subjects, I used the ending ing. I hope this was a clear explanation, and to check this for yourself, please follow the link in the video description to do the quiz to see if you understand this grammar rule correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.